Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding Scratch. In this video, we go to the lesson 10 that talking about the loop with array and BB-8. So the first puzzle is about the video and you can click it and watch it and you can learn what is about the programming with array and BB-8. Okay, so I just let move on to the puzzle 2. Okay, in the puzzle, you can use 5 of the same block to get the scrap metal, and the scrap metal like this, okay, or this one you can see in the screen, okay, 3 metal here. So you can move forward 1, 2, 3, and 5, okay, you can move forward and repeat it again and again like that. You can click run. Okay, okay, sorry, for this one is move backward, not forward. Sorry, move forward for 5 times. Again. Okay, that's it. Finish it and go to the puzzle 3. The puzzle 3 is the prediction. Okay, so you can see the code below and you can predict what BB-8 can do. Okay, for the first one, A, BB-8 will not move. Okay, you can watch the code here. B, BB-8 will move only one space. C, BB-8 will move 5 times and get all of the scrap metal. And D, for the last, BB-8 will move only 3 space. So you can see it's a repeat for 5 times, right? So this one may be right. Okay, C, and get all the scrap metal. Run it. Okay, that's right. Correct. Okay, in the puzzle also the video that introduced you about the repeat block, or you can call it the loop, okay, with BB-8. Okay, so just move on. Continue for the puzzle 5. And to get all the scrap metal, try creating a loop that use only one block inside of a repeat block. Okay, so you can drag the repeat block and you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 move. You can see. So you put it the 5 times in the repeat block and click run. Okay, that's correct. Okay, let's go. Puzzle 6. Okay, in this puzzle, we have the 2 repeat loop. Will help you to get BB-8, okay, to all of the scrap metal with the fewest numbers of blocks. So you can see like BB-8 will move to the right, okay, move forward for the 4th time and don't care it, just drag the repeat block and you can move it for 4th time, and after that it will be turn right. Okay, you can drag turn right below of the repeat block and drag another repeat block here is 5 times. Okay, that's right, and move 5 times. Okay, okay, that's right. Continue. So what about this? Okay, instruction go BB-8. So you can grab the metal here. Okay, so quite easy, right? You can just move forward and after that you can turn it right and repeat block for 5 times and move forward 1. Okay, 5 of 5 block. Run. Okay, continue. Okay, puzzle X. Loop even work with more than one block inside. You can use loop this sequence. Okay, so what does it mean? Okay, you just move and use this code. You can run this. Run it. Okay, turn right. Turn right. Just drag it like that. You can use only 3 times. and move it like that. Okay, let's go. You can do it. Okay, can you try get all the scrap metal using just one loop? Can you? Okay, try programming it all of them. Okay, finding the repeat code to put in a loop. Okay, you can see it. Move forward for one time, and after that it will be turned to the right like that, and then it will be moved forward like that. Okay. Okay, so and after that it will be turned to the left like that. Okay. Okay, then you drag the repeat block here, put it 5 times. Okay. Okay, congratulations, it's all done. Okay, for the challenge puzzle, I'm ready. So it's quite the same, right? Combine the idea from the last few puzzle to complete this. You can move forward, and after that, it will be turned to the left for the first, and then move forward, and after that, it will be turned to the right. Okay, and after that, you can drag it to the repeat block for 5 times. Okay. Okay, it's quite easy, right? You can back the face of the BB-8 or not, it's up to you. And you just turn right for or turn left for the 2 times, and then you use the repeat block and you can move forward like that. Okay, completed. Puzzle 11. Okay, use what you have learned to pick all of the scrap metal here. So quite easy, right? You just move forward for 2 times for the first loop. Just put it 2 and then move forward. Okay, and after that it will be turned to the right. And after that I drag another repeat block and just move forward for 3 times. And after that it will be turned to the right again. Okay, and after that it will be repeat for the 4th time. Okay, that you can see for the first loop is 2, for the second loop is 3, for the fourth loop it is 4, and the last one no loop anymore. You just turn the BB-8 to the right and move forward. Okay. Okay, completed. Okay, go to another puzzle. Okay, you are doing great. Keep it up. Okay, so this one you can see the move forward for 3 times. Okay, you can drag it, move forward for 3 times. All right, and after that, 1, 2, and 3, and after that it will be turned to the right, like that, and after that it moves 3 times again. Move forward like that. And after that I will be drag it to the another repeat block. I put it 2. Okay, it means that loop in the loop or repeat block in the repeat block. Oh no, I'm sorry, I put it wrong in this. It will be turned to the left. Okay, that's right. Okay, you can see the code here. It is the prediction. Okay, look closely to the code below and what will happen when you click run. Okay, you can see the code here. move 2 times for the first loop, move 3 times for the second, move 3 times 2 for the third, and move 3 times 2 for the fourth loop. Okay, so what will happen when the program run or when you click run? For the first case, BB-8 will travel too far in the first loop. That is right. B. BB-8 will not travel for enough in the first loop in order to get all of the scrap metal. C. BB-8 will collect all the scrap metal with no problem. D. For the last is BB-8 will turn the wrong direction after the first loop. So what is the answer of this code? Okay, I think you can choose the right one. Okay, so I choose for the B, answer B. BB-8 will not travel fast enough in the first loop. For the first loop, it should be travel for the 3 times. It's not 2. Okay, so click run. Okay, that's correct. Okay, I hope you correct too. Okay, so go to the last one. Okay, you almost there. This time choose any part you like. Okay, it's quite easy. You just move this for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 times of moving forward. And after that, it will be turned to the right. Quite easy. You can go any way that you like. Okay. So after that, you move it forward for 1, 2, 3, and 4. Run. Okay, that's all. Continue. Is there any challenge? Oh, it have 2 challenge here. For the first one, okay, go to the bonus level 1. So let's start. So you can see the correct one to try using loop to find his icon. Okay. For the first, it will be move forward. Okay, move forward, and after that, it will be turned to the right. And after that, it will be move forward. So I drag it into the move forward. After that, I use another one is turn left. Okay, try. Okay, I not choose this. I put it 3 times. Okay, for the first loop is the right there. We need another one. For 4 times again. A 4 loop. Okay, like that. Okay, so all the algorithm that you have, you can comment and let me know if you have another solution for this challenge. Okay, comment below. So this one quite easy, right? You can just move forward for 1 time, and then you can use the repeat block for the 5 time. Okay, quite easy. And then you use the collect block. Okay, you will be collect this treasure here. So after that, you can move over it again. You can copy and paste it here. For this is 6, and then you can copy it again. Okay, I think you can do it easily. Okay, 7 and copy. This one is 8. Okay, for the last one is 9. Okay, so run. Okay, that's all. So that's all for the lesson 10 loop with array and BB-8. So I hope you all guys have learned something from this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, see you in the next video in the new lesson. Okay,